Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Cursor versus Bolt.DIY. We'll dive into their core functionalities, exploring how each tool empowers developers. We'll examine their unique approaches to code editing and project management, helping you understand which might best suit your workflow. This comparison will highlight key differences in their design philosophies and user experiences, providing a clear overview of what each offers to the modern programmer. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge to make an informed decision. Next, let's explore the distinct features and AI capabilities of Cursor and Bolt.DIY. Cursor integrates powerful artificial intelligence directly into your coding environment, offering intelligent suggestions and automated refactoring. Bolt.DIY, on the other hand, provides a highly customizable framework, allowing users to integrate their preferred AI models and tools. We'll look at how these different strategies impact your development process and overall productivity, considering both ease of use and deep technical control. Moving on, we'll assess the performance and customization options. Cursor offers a streamlined, out-of-the-box experience, prioritizing ease of use and quick setup for immediate productivity. Bolt.DIY shines with its extensive customization, giving users granular control over every aspect of their environment. We'll discuss how these varying levels of flexibility cater to different developer preferences and technical requirements, ensuring you find the perfect fit. Consider whether you prefer a ready-to-go solution or one you can meticulously tailor. Finally, let's consider the pricing models and target audiences for Cursor and Bolt.DIY. Cursor typically offers a tiered subscription, with a free option and paid plans providing advanced features and support. Bolt.DIY, being open source, is generally free to use, though it may involve self-hosting costs and community-driven support. We'll help you determine which solution aligns best with your budget and development philosophy, whether you prefer a managed service with dedicated support or a fully open platform with maximum control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.